Hey guys, Joe at B Sharp Ottawa. If you guys don't know, we install the Custom Skate Works shot blockers, the custom shot blockers. They'll fit any skate because they are cut out specifically per skate. So this Ultrasonic has them on the inside and the outside of both skates. Kind of walk you through what we're doing here for you. So if you need to send anything in by mail, we'll kind of walk you through a basic step-by-step of how you do that for us, and then we can cut some shot blockers out for you and send them back to you. So this is a 7.5 Ultrasonic, okay? Same as the 7.5 that we have over here. What we do is, as long as I've got the right feet here, which would be great, what I get you to do is basically where the seam lines are, all the way down through here, you'll see like the seam line between your carbon fiber here and your eyelets. So we get you to do with tape, and now this one's already done. This one's already done through here. But basically what we'll get you to do is you create a pattern just like that. And if I zoom in, you'll see that the lines through here, all the way along, there is a seam line here. So this fits all the way through here, all the way back to the heel. And then same thing happens on the inside if you want them on the inside. Basically, you're building us a pattern. So just like this. Now again, this is the same size as the one that's already done. So these fit nicely. So as we get them in, we just kind of keep them around so we have the right patterns. But there you go. So basically we've got a left inside, we've got a left outside. We repeat the process, same thing on the other skate. If it's the outside, so tape across it with a couple of layers of tape. It's gonna look something like this. Okay, so you'll have a green pattern that goes away again. And again, I'll zoom in. You'll see the lines here. If I pull this back, you'll see how there's the ridge here. Basically what you're gonna do is cut that out so that it fits the same ridge. Then you do the same thing if the inside, if you want to do the inside. If not, we just do the exterior. And then in the end, they come out looking like these bad boys. So we cut them out, we taper them, we make sure that everything fits nice in here. And you've got some shot blockers right here, inside, outside. And if you go like Will here, because he plays defense, he's got them on everything. So then you've got the inside and outside protection. Doesn't matter which way you get hit, you have shot blockers. There you go. Joe at B Sharp Ottawa. If you have any questions, give us an email at info@bsharpottawa. We're on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, all at B Sharp Ottawa, all one word. Again, Joe at B Sharp Ottawa. Have a good one.